Good day. Today we will learn how to use Python library called Turtle. In this example we will create simple circle drawing automation. First, open your Python code editor. In mobile, install and open Pydroid 3. First, create a new file for our project. After creating file, make sure that Turtle library is already installed in. You can install it in terminal through pip install Python turtle. Now we can use the package. First thing to do is import turtle. To use the turtle, I set the turtle in a variable letter t, and screen to variable letter s. Now, we can set the background color of screen to any color we want. In here, I set that background color to black, and turtle.Pencolor to white. I set the width of turtle's pen to 2. Since the turtle is set to variable t, we can now command it to draw a circle with a radius of 90 degrees. For us to see the output in a long time, use the turtle.Done command. Here's the output. The second parameter in circle command is the extent or the part of the circle in degrees as an arc. Now we know some basic turtle commands. See you next time. God bless.